और वन डिमेंशनल मोशन पे पीपीटी बनाया आज मैंने.
Okay.
और फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न व्हाट इज वन डिमेंशनल मोशन. Motion in which body travels in a straight line. For example, motion of a bowling ball means only one of the three coordinates specifying the position of object change with respect to time.
Okay.
So then we will learn acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity of body. It's a vector quantity and direction of acceleration is along the direction of velocity. Its SI unit is meter per second square. Now the formula of acceleration is change in velocity upon time is equals to v minus u by t. Then we will come across uniform acceleration versus variable acceleration. Now uniform acceleration, in uniform acceleration, rate of change of velocity of body is equal in equal intervals of time. So acceleration is constant, i.e. same for all equal intervals of time. So the velocity graph is a straight line inclined to time axis, and the acceleration time graph for uniform acceleration will be a straight line parallel to time axis.
एक बार फिर से रिपीट करना प्लीज. स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल टू टाइम एक्सिस वाला.
Acceleration time graph for uniform acceleration will be a straight line parallel to time axis.
सही.
Now variable acceleration, rate of change of velocity of body is unequal in equal intervals of time. Acceleration is variable, means it is different for each interval of time. The velocity graph for non-uniform acceleration is a curve. Now we will come across equations of uniformly accelerated rectilinear motion. First, let's understand this. So these are equations for uniformly accelerated rectilinear motion. Means body is traveling with uniform acceleration and doing rectilinear motion. Means translational motion in a straight line. Body is traveling in a straight line with uniform acceleration. So these equations are applicable for bodies which are traveling in a straight line with a uniform acceleration.
Very good.
Now these equations give relation between velocity, distance, time and uniform acceleration of a body traveling in a straight line. There are three equations. First equation is v is equal to u plus at. Second is s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now let's see derivation of equations of motion by graphical method. Now let's consider a body moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration a. Let u be its initial velocity at time t is equal to 0, v be its final velocity at time t, s be distance traveled by body in time t. So as the body is traveling with uniform acceleration, the velocity time graph of the object will be a straight line inclined to time axis like this. Now here we can observe OP is equals to RS is equals to its initial velocity at time 0, and then OW equals to SQ, that is equal to its final velocity. OS is equal to PR is equal to T. Now let's derive first equation of motion. Now we know that slope of velocity time graph of uniformly accelerated motion is equal to acceleration of body. So the slope will be tan theta is equals to QR by PR is equals to QR by OS. So acceleration will be equal to SQ minus SR divided by OS is equal to V minus U by T. So here we get formula of acceleration, that is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. So here we derive the first equation of motion. Final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration into time.
Okay. What is theta?
Now,
what is theta?
Sir, angle between inclined line, slope.
Inclined line and
Sir, time.
Time axis. Very good. Okay, graph PQ and time axis.
हाँ sir.
Okay.
Now let's derive second equation of motion. Now we know that area under velocity time graph is equal to displacement of body. So distance traveled by body in time t will be equal to area of velocity time graph. So it will be equal to area of trapezium OSQP. So we can find here two shapes, one is triangle and other is rectangle. So displacement will be equal to area of rectangle OSRP and area plus area of rectangle PRQ. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equals to OC into OP plus area of triangle is equal to half into base into height is equal to half into PR into QR. So we get OS is equal to T, OP is equal to U plus half into PR is equal to T into QR is equal to V minus U. So we know that from first equation of motion V minus U is equal to AT. So we place AT in place of VU. So we get the formula we get the second equation of motion S is equal to UT plus half AT square.
Very good.
Now let's derive third equation of motion. Now we know that again area under velocity time graph is equal to displacement of body. So here the graph is forming a trapezium. So area is equal, displacement is equal to area under trapezium OSQP. So area of trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel side into height. So is equals to half into OP plus SQ into PR. So U plus V by 2 into V minus U by A. So it will be equal to V square minus U square by 2A. So here we have third equation of motion V square is equal to U square plus 2A.